Hi, my name is now Dr. Rahul Deo Gupta. I basically am from India, but I am working in Saudi Arabia in the real estate development sector.
It's Dr. Rahul Deo Gupta.
UCAM has definitely given me a very positive inputs, not only for my academic certifications, but also has made me a better person through its DBA degree and the rigor through which this has been taken up. Now, for all the aspiring DBA candidates or the DBA professionals who wants to take this degree, mine should not be taken as a benchmark because I'm doing it after 27 years of my first graduation. So I'm almost 50 now. So I'm doing my DBA at the age of this. But please don't wait, do it immediately. The reason why I'm telling you this is this gives you separate kind of a training in your brain. It helps you to think in a different way altogether. It helps you to take different perspectives, which will be helpful not only in your personal life, but also in your professional life. So all the best. Thank you.